How to turn off two-factor authentication on Coinbase wallet. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application Coinbase. Enter your login credential as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will be landing you on this home page. Once you are in this page, tap on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. And then head over to your profile and settings at the very top. Scroll all the way down and the option of Change Security Settings will be available. Head over to it. Now wait for a while for it to load. You will be landing on this page. Over here, head over to two-factor authentication settings. Now simply click on Available Methods. So from all of these options, if you have turned on any of the two-factor authentication, then instead of Setup, the option of Remove will be visible to you. All you want to do is tap on Remove. After that, your two-factor authentication will be turned off successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can turn off two-factor authentication on Coinbase. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.